Hey there, so this is the unboxing video of Echo Dot from Amazon. This is the third generation device from Amazon in the Echo lineup. And this one here I just got today. Though it is a year-old device, I got finally the chance to own one now. So this one I purchased from Amazon. It came around 2200 rupees in cost, and this is in gray color. Let me just show you what's on the box before we open it. So this is a smart speaker. It's compatible with all these services such as ESPN, Zomato, Ola, sorry for the zoom, for Savan, and definitely Amazon own Prime Music. So what's included in the box is a charger and the device itself. It's supposed to have features such as Alexa built-in, audio line out, so that we can use external speakers. It has a Bluetooth connection with your phone. Definitely has Wi-Fi so that it can stream music out of internet. And there's a microphone on off button so that if in case you worry about your privacy, you can switch off the microphone and open it only when it's required. The price written on the box is 4,500 rupees, which is definitely not the actual price of the device. Actually, it comes around 2,200 rupees, and it can come a lot more cheaper during festival times or special offers. So that was the box. Now I'm not using a tripod for this unboxing video, so we'll have to manage it from one hand. Kindly bear with me. So this is the first look of the device. This one is in a, like I said, it's in a gray color. So the first thing comes out of box is the device itself. It's around 400 grams in weight, so not much on the heavier side considering the device itself. We have phones around 200 grams, so I would say this is fairly lightweight as far as the speaker is concerned. We have it in a plastic boxing, I mean cover. So let me just quickly open it. So we'll open it the right way, possibly the right way. This is adhesive, and here comes the cover. The top of it is rubberized plastic. The surroundings are definitely canvas. So here goes the plastic covering, and I would have to say the feel is good. It feels nice to touch. These are pressable buttons. I don't think if this can be, yeah, this is fairly visible. So this is the plus and minus button for increasing the volume. This is for the recording, and this is that microphone off button which we want to use in case we are concerned with our privacy and we don't want our voice to be recorded. Uh, these four dots on the top are the mics actually, which are very far, what they call it. There's a term which is written on the box. Uh, that's it's far field voice control. So these mics are actually very powerful. And they are capable of recording and noticing voice from quite a distance. If you look at the physical aspect, so this point here we have the external audio output as well as the charging pin here. So this doesn't runs on battery, this runs on live DC power, and the bottom is fairly simple rubberized plastic again for that firm grip that once you place it on a ground, it'll not wobble or run around or slide anyway. This gives a very sturdy feel to the speakers once they are placed on the surface. If we look at the box more, next in series comes some manuals from Eco. I guess these will contain the setup instructions. Let me just put them aside. The next item from the box, I think it's the things to try. So there's a very nice set of commands written on it just to try what all functionalities are part of the Eco Dot. Uh, Going inside more, we get a charger. So yes, so this is the power supply brick from for the Eco Dot, and let me just read the power ratings of this one. So this is a 15-watt power supply brick, and um, it gives an output of 1.25 ampere at 12 volts. So that's a power rating, and this is the pin for that particular brick. So a typical DC pin, I would say, for charging up the device. That's all for the box contents. Now, setting it up will take some time. I'll have to connect with my phone. And these are the instructions which I'll have to follow, which will mostly be fairly simple. All I need to do is install the companion app on my phone, which is the Amazon Alexa app, and then we'll have to pair my phone with the speaker via Bluetooth. And once that is done, I can hook this device up with the Wi-Fi, and then it can run independently. All it will require is voice instructions to get triggered. So that was all for the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot third generation. This has quite many advantages over the second and first generation. So let me just get this hook up with my phone. I guess I'll make a separate video with all the features which this Alexa Dot can do. Uh, Hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section if there are certain areas I can improve upon, or any other feature would you especially would like to see. I'll definitely make a video on the sound quality of it. So apart from it, if there's any other feature you would like to see, or more photos or videos of the same, please let me know. So here's me, Siddharth Sharma, signing off from the unboxing video of Amazon Echo Dot third generation.